In this video, I will be sharing important soccer betting tips that will help you prevent painful and avoidable losses. These hacks separate the winners from the losers in the world of soccer betting. And trust me, you don't want to be on the losing side, so here are the important betting tips you want to take seriously if you want to improve your betting game. 1. Avoid the fixed game mindset. This is one of the major reasons why people lose in football betting. Many people believe that most football clubs engage in match fixing and use this as a reason for why they lose bets. You'll see them calling every match that doesn't go their way fixed. When these types of people want to bet and they see a particular game that has very high odds, they become paranoid or suspicious and automatically think bookmakers know what is going to happen in the game, and the odds are high because it's fixed, which makes them pick the wrong outcome. I'm not saying match fixing doesn't exist, but you are going to confuse yourself if you have the mentality that they exist, and you are going to lose even more. Instead of concerning yourself with what you can't control or detect, focus more on the things you can, like form analysis and team news updates. Number 2, avoid confident picks. This right here makes up at least 50% of why most bettors lose, and those that do it can't stop because of laziness. Confident picks, for instance, occur when you have two teams, such as Liverpool versus Man City, and you immediately pick the over 2.5 goals option purely because of how both teams play individually. Football betting is more than identifying how two teams play individually, it's also about how those two teams will react and affect each other's performance. For example, two attacking teams might fail to produce more than 2 goals if both clubs' defense and midfield are solid because both will cancel each other out. In another scenario where both or one of the team's defenses are not strong, goals might be more plentiful. Another thing that affects results is the type of competition and the team's approach. In a league competition where two great attacking teams, who are first and second on the table and fighting for a title, both teams are more likely to be cautious, and too many goals may not be seen. These are the different types of things you should know if you want to improve in soccer betting. 3. Focus more on in-play betting. I don't know why lots of punters are still avoiding live betting. When you focus more on live betting and create a system for yourself, you'll see how much easier it is to make money than with pre-match betting. Pre-match betting is purely about trusting and hoping that both teams will perform as expected and give you the result that you want. But with live betting, you have the opportunity to see how both teams play before betting. The thing with live betting is, just by seeing how both teams pass the ball and how they move the ball to attack for 10 minutes, you can tell who is going to win or the margin of goals a match will produce. The 4th tip is reviewing your bets. At least 90% of bettors don't do this because they don't have time to recheck past games. We talked about sticking to a few betting options so that we can learn from them and become experts, but you can't learn from your mistakes if you don't go back to your lost bets to see where you made a wrong selection and what made you make that mistake. So from now on, learn to go back to lost bets and see what you did wrong so that you can improve. The 5th tip is engaging in spread betting. Instead of simply betting on the outcome of a game and predicting the future, consider spread betting, where you bet on the margin of victory. Instead of betting on direct outcomes like straight wins and confusing options like double chance, you can make more money by betting on goals margin, whether halftime or full-time, team goals, bookings margin, corners, and so on. No matter how many times you study and learn from the straight win option, even the surest-looking game can disappoint. Yes, all betting options disappoint sometimes, but the direct option is a little bit more unpredictable to me. In the next video, I will be talking about various football leagues and the most favorable betting options for each of those leagues, so subscribe now, and most importantly, turn on the bell icon to know when we release new videos.